In this video, I will show you the basics of how to replace a light fixture, along with each step and the basic tools you need to complete the job. So every light fixture is different. I got this one off of Amazon, and basically you're gonna have a black wire, white wire, and a ground wire, and then it should come with all of the things you need to attach it and an installation instructions manual. So first things first, you wanna go to your breaker box and turn off power supply to the section of the house that you will be working on. And then go back inside and start removing the current light fixture. This was a really weird little shell thing that I had hooked up above an old boob light, but yours probably won't have the shells. Either way, you just need to remove the current light fixture and the light bulbs. This one was done just by twisting and pulling down, and then you will disconnect the black and white wires along with the ground from the electrical box. And to do that, you just untwist the wires and pull. I originally thought that I was gonna have to drill holes to attach the new light fixture. I realized I didn't, but I'll still share this quick little tip. To find the correct drill bit size, you just take your screw and make sure you can see the threads of the screw while holding up the drill bit, and that is the correct one to use. Now, even though I turned the power off at the breaker, I still like to check because I am deathly afraid of electricity, and you can do this by using a voltmeter. Now you want to check the wire gauge, like this area on your new light fixture, and this is a 22 gauge wire. So I take my wire strippers and I look on the right hand side where it says stranded and get the 22 gauge area and put the wire in that clamp down in order to cut back the plastic to expose more wire. You can see here how it's a bunch of little strands as opposed to what comes out of the ceiling, which is a solid wire called Romex. So once that's done to both of the wires, then you're gonna go up to the outlet box and attach the white wire to the white wire that's coming out of the electrical box and cap it with a wire nut that should be provided with your light fixture. Then you will do the same with the black wire to the black wire from the outlet box and attach those the same way with another wire nut. And then you need to unscrew the ground. And to do this, you need a flathead screwdriver. You unscrew it and then take the ground, which is usually a copper wire that is on your new light fixture, and screw it in underneath the ground screw in your outlet. A lot of times it'll be a green little screw, but I have an old outlet box, so you just want to look for a little screw in your outlet box that has another wire around it and add the new ground wire to that. I did things a little backwards and then my black wires came apart, but I fixed that, and then we were on to mounting the actual light fixture. In every outlet box, you'll see two areas that hold screws, and you use the screws that come with your fixture to attach it into those. This fixture was a little different because it had multiple areas I could choose from, so I just lined up the openings with the screws and attached it. At this point, you would add your light bulbs in, but this light fixture has LED strip already installed, so I didn't have to do that. I added the clear cover that it came with, and I was done. Now you're gonna go back out to your breaker box and restore the power that you turned off and head back inside and hope that it worked. And it did. And now we have this nice modern light fixture to go along with all the other wood accents in this little boy's room. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, if you can comment, like, and share, I would appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.